Alright, I'm going to be graphing, using a graphing calculator, two of the polynomials that we graphed in class today. The first one I'm going to do is polynomial number 2, which was negative x plus 2 quantity squared times the quantity x minus 3. It's very important to look at the window that's specified before graphing this on the calculator. So if you press the window button, this specific one had a recommendation of an x from negative 10 to 10 with a scale of 1, y from negative 50 to positive 50 with a scale of 10. To enter the equation into the calculator, we press the y equals button and clear anything out that's already in there, and then enter the equation. So it's negative. Be careful not to use the minus sign, but rather the negative sign. So negative, parentheses, x is this button right here. So x plus 2 squared is this button right here, and times x minus 3. X. Now, since it's minus 3, I'm going to use the minus button, close parentheses. Once your equation is entered in and you're ready to graph it, you simply hit the graph button. And sketching this graph, it goes through x equal to negative 2 and positive 3. Those are our x-intercepts. So let me just sketch what we see on the calculator. And a short description. Some key information that's important is the behavior of the graph starting and ending. So it starts positive and ends negative. We also see that it's bouncing at x equals negative 2, and it's also passing through x equals positive 3. So that's a short description of the behavior of the graph. I'm going to do one more polynomial, which is number 5. So polynomial number 5 is negative x times x plus 4 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. The window that's specified for this one, so I'm going to go back to the window screen. The window specified for this one is to go from negative 6 to 6, scale of 1, y from negative 30 to 80 with a scale of 10. And let's enter the function in by pressing the y equals button. So we have negative x times x plus 4 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. And we hit graph. Okay, so sketching that out, it goes through x equals negative 4, 0, positive 1, and positive 3. And sketching what I see on the calculator, it'll look something like this. Okay, and notice this one also passes through the x-axis multiple times, just like the previous one. Namely, negative 4, 0, 1, and 3. However, it's not bouncing at any of these points, so we don't need to state anything about a bounce. The behavior of this graph starts negative and it ends negative as well.